Hi friends, so I'm back with my next video. So this is again in continuation to my previous video where I showed you how to install the Easy Cruise which I installed on my 310 GS. Now we'll just try it on the highway, how it works, how comfortable it is on the highway, how comfortable am I to use it on the highway, is it safe, is it not safe. So let's see.
Okay friends, so we now are going towards the highway. So we will take the road towards the airport, towards Devanahalli. That's a free road, less traffic, so that we can check how comfortable is it to ride with this cruise control. Do we find any difficulty? Also one aspect that I want to check is, in case of an emergency, how quickly can we disengage this cruise control, because that's more important. Now we are on the airport road. There's hardly any traffic. Let me check my speed. Yeah, so I am at a speed of 62 and I'll just lock the throttle now. So I just roll it over. Oops, not enough. So I have just rolled over once again and now I guess it's locked. Let's check the speed. Yes, we are at the same speed of about 60 and my hands are free. The bike is still running at the same speed, 62. I can rest my hands here, just hold the handle grip, not tightly. My hands are free, absolutely free. I'm just holding the grip, that's it. Not accelerating, not exerting any pressure. Wow, hands are free. Just resting. This is amazing, this is real fun. Fun to ride. See, the throttle is still locked. It's still locked and my hands are totally free. So the bike is running at the same speed. Check the speed. It's still at about 56, 57. Just with the roads ups and downs, the speed will vary a bit. Yes, because it's not an active cruise control. It's a throttle lock, a manual one. I just hold the handlebar and that's it. Yes, that's it. So now I'm just holding the hands. We'll roll it back. Just see how it disengages. Yes, it's done. Now it's absolutely free. The accelerator is absolutely free. It's just rolling back to the normal position. We just lock it once again and see, it's locked. Absolutely working absolutely fine. This is amazing. This is real fun.
So friends, we've seen how it performs on the highway. So a very good product. I liked it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed riding it. I could just relax my hand. My hands were relaxed as you saw it in the video. So you can look at using it, and I found it safe enough. Just that do not use it in traffic. It is not advisable at all to use in traffic. So whenever on the highway, if you do long distance touring, it's a bliss. You will love it if it is being used on the highway. So friends, if you liked my video, if you found it informative, please do leave your comments down below, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel for more and more such informative videos in the future. Keep liking, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you. Bye-bye.